Okay, this video is going to take us through how to navigate Google Meets. Google Meets is what we'll be using for office hours, and you can go find my office hours and the link to them here in the Navigating the Digital Science 9 course. Then number 4 is my office hours. My office hours will be from 1 to 3 p.m. daily. You can access Google Meets either by clicking this link or by dialing this phone number from your mobile phone and using this PIN. This is available for parents or students, but I'm going to show you kind of some tricks on using this format. So when you click this, it'll bring you to this little screen, and then you're going to hit Join Now. Now the Join Now button brings you here. There you can see me. I just kind of want to run through how this works. So up here, if you click here, you can see all the people that are there. If you click over to the chat, you'd obviously see a chat. This is great for asking questions, kind of getting my attention so that I know you're the next person I need to talk to. If we click out of here, then you can see here, I can turn on or off my camera. And then here is turning on or off my microphone. Now, obviously, if I click this, you're not going to be able to hear me. So turn it back on. If you need to share your screen with me, that is this Present Now button. You can share your entire screen or just a window. And then there's some other things here where you can turn on closed captioning, change the layout, record the meeting if you want to. I'm going to recommend that you don't record the meeting if you really need help that is recorded and kind of shown available to you at a later time. Let's chat about that one-on-one instead of recording an entire meeting, because this is going to have my Science 9 students. It's also going to potentially have chemistry students in it. So we don't want to be recording things that you don't need, because that'll just fill up your Google Drive, and we don't need to do that. When you're all done, you simply close out of this window and you'll be good to go. You can also just click this button that lets you leave the call. If you have any questions about how to navigate Google Meet, make sure you reach out to me. Otherwise, I hope to see you guys face to face over the internet soon.